Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly elevate your kitchen experience, the Moen Sleek Spot Resist Stainless MotionSense Wave Sensor Touchless Kitchen Faucet. We discovered this impressive faucet online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes this faucet a standout choice for modern kitchens. The Moen Sleek Faucet is designed with a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, fitting seamlessly into any home decor. But beyond its looks, it's packed with innovative features that enhance functionality and convenience. One of the most exciting aspects of the Moen Sleek is its MotionSense Wave technology. This single sensor touchless activation allows you to turn the water on and off with just a wave of your hand. This means you can easily operate the faucet when your hands are full or messy, making meal prep and cleanup much more efficient. No more fumbling with handles or getting your faucet dirty, just a simple wave, and you're good to go. Another notable feature is the easy installation process, which is made possible by the Duralock Quick Connect system. Whether you have one hole or three in your sink, this faucet is designed to accommodate both setups, and it even comes with an optional deck plate. This feature is perfect for those who may not have extensive DIY experience, as it simplifies the installation process significantly. The finish of the Moen Sleek is also worth mentioning. The Spot Resist stainless finish is designed to resist fingerprints and water spots, so your kitchen faucet remains looking clean and polished. This is particularly beneficial for busy kitchens where appearance can often be compromised by everyday use. When it comes to performance, the Power Clean Spray technology sets this faucet apart. It provides 50% more spray power compared to many standard pull-down faucets. This makes tasks like rinsing dishes or washing vegetables quicker and more effective, a real time saver for any home chef. Now, who is this faucet suitable for? If you're a busy parent, a cooking enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys having a clean and efficient kitchen, the Moen Sleek is an excellent option. Its touchless activation means you can easily wash your hands or fill pots without needing to touch the faucet, which is particularly useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing a meal, and your hands are covered in dough. Instead of having to turn on the faucet with dirty hands, you can simply wave your hand in front of the sensor to activate the water. It's also fantastic for quick rinsing, whether you need to wash your hands, fill a pot, or clean up spills. The convenience of this faucet streamlines these tasks. Plus, for those who entertain frequently, your guests will surely appreciate the modern touch of a touchless faucet. Another thoughtful feature is that this faucet comes with 6 AA batteries included, so you won't need to worry about finding a dedicated outlet. However, if you prefer, there is also an option for AC power. This flexibility makes it adaptable to various kitchen setups. In summary, the Moen Sleek Spot Resist Stainless MotionSense Wave Sensor Touchless Kitchen Faucet combines style, functionality, and ease of use in one modern package. From its touchless activation to its powerful spray technology, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.